The human brain is not designed for success. The human brain is designed for survival.
Right.
Survival is about conserving energy. Success is the opposite. Success is about expending energy, doing things that are uncomfortable. So it doesn't mean if you do this, if you struggle with procrastination, if you've made bad choices, it doesn't mean you're doomed for failure. It actually means you have a perfectly functioning, healthy, normal human brain.
Mm-hmm.
But success is not normal. Success is not average. Success is not what most people experience. If you are trying to experience success, you need to rewire, literally, the neural pathways in your brain.
آقای دکتر ناراحت نکنی خودت رو شما اینقدر